Jin One Piece. Joe Keto Digimon. Doppo Kunikida Bungo Stray Dogs. Doppo Kunikida's lawful good alignment has him in a perpetual state of irritation with those around him. He just likes to keep things organized so that the armed detective agency can function properly and enjoy a good reputation. But Dazai is always ruining things for him with what Kunikida sees as carelessness and indiscretion. Akane Tsunemori Psychopaths. Jet Black Cowboy Bebop. Jet Black Cowboy Bebop. Mob Kageyama Mob Psycho 100. Mob Kageyama Mob Psycho 100. Jonathan Joestar JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. White blood cells at work. White blood cells at work. Euphemia Britannia Code Geass. Gohan Dragon Ball Z. Gohan Dragon Ball Z. Naruto. Naruto. Armin Arlelt Attack on Titan. Armin Arlelt Attack on Titan. Sohokuro Yagami Death Note. Sohokuro Yagami is police chief in charge of the Cure investigation, of which his son is the prime suspect. The fact that he fits the lawful good trope makes his situation exquisitely painful. He's torn between obeying law and protecting his children. Kenshin Himura Kenshin. Erza Scarlet Fairy Tale. Tenya Ida My Hero Academia. Tenya Ida My Hero Academia. Tanjiro Kamado Demon Slayer. Tanjiro Kamado Demon Slayer. Roy Mustang Fullmetal Alchemist. Roy Mustang Fullmetal Alchemist.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.